Okay. So last time the instruction was you guys should investigate about a natural logarithmic function, and last time I introduced the natural exponential function angisho. That it is just a normal exponential function, but Leo function it has got what? The base, which is ubani, which is ue. Ue sathi thina it is known as ubani, Euler's constant angisho. So this is Euler's constant and it is equal to bani to 2.718 recurring, right? So basically, this is known as a natural exponential function. And Shama exponential function, we know they are formed from high school. We see it is y is equals to a to the power of x, whereby a it is a number there, or it is the base. So lana ke yona ke ihluke ngani ke le exponential function len. It has got the base which is ubani, which is ue. And ue is not a variable lana, it is a base, it is a number as y, it is 2.718718. What did we say that, why did we say this is an important function? It is because the exponential function len, known as a natural exponential function, it is like this. And we must know here at this point, my life function at this point, and my at this point, the gradient, if you put a tangent here, the gradient at the function at the intercept is 1. That's what I said last time. The gradient is equal to 1. So basically, e exponential function natural exponential function is important because of that. So this natural exponential function is important because we know it has got a gradient of 1 at the y-intercept. That is what's important about natural exponential. So remember, we say each and every general exponential function, inverse iba logarithmic function angisho. So if you have got an exponential function, it's y is equals to log. Okay, let's just say we've got an exponential function y is equals to 2 to the power x. If you want to see E inverse, no matter to find the inverse, we interchange x and y. So that is going to be x is equals to 2 to the power of y. And then you get to be able to make y the subject of the formula. So we introduce log. So y is log of the base, which is 2, and then the answer there, which is x. So this is the inverse of a natural of an exponential function, a general. So this is an exponential function, this is a logarithmic function. A log is an inverse of an exponential function, and also an exponential function is an inverse of a logarithmic function. So when you plot them on a Cartesian plane, when you plot this function on a Cartesian plane of y versus x, in natural exponential function in this one, y is equal to 2 to the power x. Is it an increasing function, not decreasing? Increasing angisho. How do we see that? So the base here, if it is greater than 1, we say it is an increasing function. But if it is between 0 and 1, we say it's what? It's a decreasing function. So this one must satisfy plot. We know that it's just going to be an exponential function like this, given by y is equals to 2 to the power x, right? And obviously, line interceptor at the point bani 0 is to bani to 1. So now when we plot the inverse which is the logarithmic function, the logarithmic function we say to the domain of a logarithmic function, it is restricted to all x values that are what? Domain, ye log. So what's wrong with it? Where should we draw our logarithmic function? What is the domain of any logarithmic function? X must be greater than bani, than 0. So to plot a logarithmic function, we know that the domain of a logarithmic function must always say x must be greater than bani, x must be greater than 0. We can only plot it on the positive side of the x-axis because the last number positive values are because the x is greater than 0 means that we are plotting things at the positive side of the x-axis. So muzo plot again, we say to if the exponential function is an increasing exponential function, the logarithmic iba increasing nayo. Sayibona ngisho. So this one is an increasing logarithmic function. This one is an increasing logarithmic function given by y is equals to log base 2x. And sayibona ukuthi masidweba lana, it can never intersect with the what? With the y-axis. Sayibona ngisho. Because imagine, ma ungafaka u-0 la on the calculator, log base 2 of 0 is going to give you ubani? U-math error. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi, igraph yethu ye-logarithmic function ayikwazi ukuthinta u-y-axis, whereby u-x ulingana nobani? No-0. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho. So basically, this kind of serves as a what? As an asymptote. Shows that your graph can go infinitely closer noma yasondela towards the line lona, because the line lona simbiza ngobani? X is equals to 0 ngisho. Yes, because y-axis we know that the x value is equals to 0 here. So basically we can say utini, this serves as an asymptote, and this is our logarithmic function. So now let's apply the same concept to a natural logarithmic exponential function. So we start with a natural exponential function ganjena, and then we try to find the inverse yayo. So that is y is equals to e to the power of x. Mas functionally inverse, it is still the same standard procedures. Interchange ubani u x no y angisho. So this is going to be x is equals to bani e to the power y. Sikhumbuleni e is a number loya. It's a number. Singacabanga ukuthi mhlambe is an unknown or something. E is a number or Euler's constant. So what do we do to make y subject to the formula lapha? We do log angisho. So y it is the log bese ibase ethi ba ubani la? U-e angisho. Bese la sakubani? U-x. So this is log base e x. So log base e, rather than calling it log base e, we have got a special name esiyisebenzisayo, so it is ln. So we say this is ln. So this is ln of bani of x. Sayibona ngisho. So kahle here log, a logarithmic function that is having base e, it is known as ubani? Ln. We actually put ln. But kahle ngamanye amazwi, it is just a logarithmic function then. It's just that a logarithmic function enani? Eno base e. The base e angisho we're talking about Euler's constant to 2.718. So kahle lo x wakho lo, it is raised to the, this base e here is raised to the power x. So here when we are having log base e kanjeni, we can just write this as ubani? As ln. Ln of what? Ln of this variable of x. We call x to the argument. Sayibona ngisho. Yes, so this is known as a natural logarithmic function. I should say lena a natural exponential ngisho. So this ln function sibiza ngani? A natural logarithmic function. So sibiza a natural logarithmic function. ln. So this is y is equals to ln x. Okay. So khona ama laws that are most important about this natural logarithmic function, because you won't have time to be drawing graphs. But if you want to draw this this natural logarithmic function, nayo izohamba kanjeni. It is still going to be increasing, provided u-e wethu angisho sayamthi u-e wethu is greater than 1 angisho. Yes. So whether the base is greater than 1, so this means ukuthini? In natural exponential function yakho is an increasing one. Even the logarithmic one is an increase. Sayibona ngisho. And obviously lana it will intercept at the point 1 is to 0. Because it's an inverse. If I notice that a point 0 is to 1, shall interchange. Do you get the sense? Yes. So this is a natural logarithmic function. This is a natural exponential function. So at this point, we want to look at the algebraic side of things because we won't be using AMA graph so much for your calculus. So we need to look at the laws of AMA logarithmic function. So AMA laws of natural logs. So AMA natural logarithmic function, the first law that we're going to talk about, it is the one that says e to the power of ln x is equals to x. That's the first law. E to the power of ln x is equals to x. And then the second one is going to be ln e to the power x is also equal to bani to x. Siyawazi lama laws? Beswazi yini? Okay, perfect. So basically yini enzekayo lana? U-E no-Lin, they are able to do what? To cancel each other. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. So u-E raised to the power of Lin, they can cancel each other such that you remain with ubani? With u-X. Or we can say that u-Lin into the argument of e to the power x, u-Lin no e, they can do what? They can cancel each other. But now where is the cancellation coming from? Asiqale la sibone ukuthi if ekanjani size sibe ne-law ekanjena. So basically masime nento ekanjena, u-e to the power of ln x kanjena, e to the power of ln x. Masingathi siyibhala kahle, okay, asiqaleni sithathe nje a general example such as x is equals to 2 to the power y. Lento lena, it is the same thing as saying uthini y is equals to log base 2 of x angisho. So these two are equivalent to one another. My expression ahambisanayo lana alinganayo angisho, because basically lana yini esiyenzile sivele saletha y wethu, we made it subject to the formula, but as edanga lutho asintshanga lutho kwi-equation yethu, we just made y the subject of the formula. So what if we have something like this? What if we have got ux here, and then we have got e to the power of y? We can say that this is the same thing as saying ubani y is equals to ln of bani, ln of x. Sikhumbuleni phela u-ln, it is actually u-log base bani, base e. So angizokubhala u-log base e anymore, sengizobhala ubani, u-ln. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. So at this point yini esiyibonayo ke lana we have got e to the power of ln x, right? U-e to the power of ln x masingathi siyamrearrange, mangathatha u-e to the power of ln x is equals to x kanjena. If I try to rearrange this as a log, if I try to rearrange this, I can say uthini, I can say ukuthi u-ln x is equals to bani lana. How can I make u-ln x subject to the formula? Log base e angisho, log base e of bani, of x, which is ubani, which is u-ln x. So for those who are doing discrete maths, you can see that the equation is what? Is true. Sayibona ngisho. But now this generally means if you are having OE raised to the power of ln, you can be able to do what? To cancel them out and just drop down ubani, ux lapha. If you have got OE raised to the power of ln, you are able to cancel them out. OE no ln, they can cancel out. And then you remain with ubani, with x. Here we just proved that this is true. This equation is true, no matter this equation is correct. But this is a law that you should know about. If there is any other proof that you are interested to know about this law, you can research maningama proof ongawenza to end up at this law. But the law holds ukuthi OE raised to the power of ln, they can just cancel, and whatever we have in the argument, we're just going to write it down. Kanjeni. Sayibona ngisho. Then the second one is ln e to the power x is equals to x. This one holds true ukuthi if we're having ln e to the power x, ln e to the power x, basically ln no e, they do what? They cancel. That is what we are trying to say. So you can try to prove this maybe and say ukuthi ln angisho, it's the same thing as saying log base e to the power x angisho is equals to bani, is equals to x. And then here what actually happens, this log base e cancels out with the what? With the e, and then we are going to remain with what? We are going to remain with ubani, with x there. So if you can try something out, log base 2 of 2. What is log base 2 of 2? What is log base 2 of 2? 1, right? What is a log base 10 of 10? 1 nakhona ngisho. What is a log base a of a squared? 2 angisho. So kahle yini enzekayo, if you are having a base that is the same thing, like ama base wakho ayafana la, i-base eku-logarithm la is the same thing as the what? As this base esinayo lana. Sayibona ngisho, these 2. So these are able to do what? To cancel out. Even this one, this base 10 can cancel this base 10 as well. So nalana futhi, same thing can apply. Log e can cancel out with ubani, with e. Sayibona ngisho. Such that you only remain with the exponent, which is ubani, x. For example, lana log a of a squared. Log a can cancel with ubani, with a, such that you only remain with the what? with the exponent, which is ubani, u2. So you can do a calculator proof of that to just try to know that this law is indeed correct. So I want to laws awu2 angisho. Are we seeing the laws? All right. So what if I say we give an example and I say uthi solve for x. So now comes the question, solve for x. So you need to solve for x, masingakunikeza something like e to the power of x plus 1 is equals to maybe e to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 2. Let's solve for x here. How would you solve for x? Noma siqale nge the first one. Sithi mhlambe ln of x plus 1 is equals to 2. Solve for x. Singenza kanjani? Angisho vele niyenzile senza ama touch up kuphela. How can we solve for x lapha? Ln into x plus 1 is equals to 2. Qala so understand the laws lawaya. Okay, yeah, solve nini. How can you solve for x? Try it down. You can write it down. Ln into x plus 1 is equals to 2. Solve for x. How can you solve for x? Let's see. Which tutorial is that? Probably is my problems on my ln. Tutorial 4? 3. Also, we're doing tutorial 3 right now. Awesome. All right. Let me just look for more problems in your tutorial here. Solvano x, what is the value of x? Ln 2. Okay, so how did you find the value of x there? Senza kanjani? Afetha nifunda kanjani le classini? Manje kwenze njani? Yebo. Oh, sifaka ulini kanje? Kanje? Oh, ku2. So, okay. Simfaka ku2, yeah? Kanjani? Sithi divided by lini? Kanje? Kanje? Kanjani? Cha pheze angazi wena bebe nifundani eclass. Nifundani? And benithi ngidlule lapha cabanga. Cha ngifuna ama steps one by one yeah.
X plus 1 is equals to e to exponent 2.
Qhamuka lapho to exponent 2.
Angithi ulimi uyafana nalo e. Ulimi x plus 1.
Yeah.
Lo base e.
X plus 1 kanje.
Loyo ulok masishintsha sibuyisela kanjani izoba x plus 1 is equals to e to exponent 2.
It's correct, but I want you to try to use these laws rather. Use the logarithmic laws. That's the extra instruction there. Yeah. Yes, you do e to the power of ln on both sides. Angisho lama laws esiwafundile siwafundeleni. Siwafundele ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi how do you cancel u-e no-ln? Yes, that's the correct thing as well that you did. Well, you're gonna get the same answer. But for the sake of using the laws of natural logarithmic, basically we say if you raise u-ln, like if you raise u-e to the power of ln x, then the e and the ln will do what? Will cancel out because u-ln actually it is log base e. It is like no log base e of x. So this log base e and this e will do what? They will cancel out. And then we remain with ubani? With x. So it means that when you can take that as an advantage, for every equation given that you can have LAN, for every equation or 9, whenever you have got ulin, the best way of getting rid of ulin is to introduce ubani u-e. Sayibona ngisho. So mawunolin, to get rid of ulin kanjani, introduce ubani u-e. So it's the e to the power of the lin. So lana you raise, there's an equal sign actually. So you must say e to the power of ln x plus 1 nangalena e to the power of 2, because what you do on the left equal to what you do on the right, because there's an equal sign there. That's why e no ln can cancel. Usale no bani lapho, usale no x plus 1 is equals to bani e squared, right? And then to find x is equals to bani e squared minus 1. There's no need to evaluate this. You won't be having a calculator in the exam, by the way. The calculus exam doesn't have any calculator. So this is x is equals to e squared minus 1. That's the value of x. Sayibona ngisho supply kanjani lama law. Anzima ni. Ma laws awu-2 nje. Only 2 laws. What if we have e to the power of e to the power of x squared plus 2 is equal to maybe we say that it is equal to 1. E to the power of x squared plus 2 is equals to 1. Solve for x. E to the power of e to the power of x squared plus 2 is equals to 1. Solve for x using the laws of natural logarithmic functions. Solve for x using the laws of natural logarithmic functions. Trying to look for more problems than I am not seeing any. Okay, let me see tutorial in rather than camp. I can find problems there. Solve for x. I will solve x is so born. Solve for x using the laws of logarithmic laws of natural logs. What are we getting? Konke sitholayo. Into eniyenzile konke sitholayo. Introduce ulina ngisho. Because it's no e, sifuna ukumcancela lo e lo khona sosana nobani. We try to make x the subject of the formula ngisho. Should we need to cancel out ubani u-e. And to be able to cancel u-e, we'll need to introduce ubani u-ln. But sim introduce kanjani sithi ln to the power of e to the power x squared kanje. What do we do if we introduce ln on both sides? Okay, senza kanjani? So besibhala uln la. Ngifuna ukuthi abantu benze kanjani. Bukani phela nawo ama laws esinawo la. Awu-2. So thi ln angisho. Bese whatever we have sifake ubani? We argument. Ibe argument yabani? Ka-ln. So we come here, we just say ln, and then inside ubani? E to the power x squared plus 2 is equals to bani? To ln of 1. So what you do on the left, you also do on the right. Sayibona ngisho. So that is going to give us ln e to the power x squared plus 2 is equals to ln of 1. Now, how do you make ex the subject of the formula? How do you make x the subject of the formula? Can send in no tutorial 3 now. How do you make x the subject of the formula, Lan? Send the anjan from la. Ln no e they can cancel out angish. Yes, because this is log base e into the argument yabani ka e. So this ln and e can cancel out, and then we remain with ubani x squared plus 2 is equals to bani ln of 1. What is the value of ln of 1? Axion 0 or ln of 2 is 0. Which one is 0 between ln of 1 and ln of 2? Ln of 1, right? So x squared is equals to by negative 2. Yeah, but obviously this is an imaginary number type of situation. But I was just showing you what is the steps that we follow. because you won't be able to have a square root of a negative number lapho. You won't be able to have a square root of a negative number. So let's just write isibalo sethu sibe kanjani. So x is equals to plus minus ubani square root 2. Yeah. Ulino of 1 u0. So u0 vele fana usakunalutho. So must transpose layer 2 on the other side uzoba positive 2. So I just made it a negative la so that we don't get an error there because we don't want a math error. So sayibona yebo. Okay, no, not really. Okay, ushintsha u1 wawenza e to the exponent 0. So you had something like x squared plus 2 is equals to exponent 0. And then you said x squared plus 2 is equals to 0. Yeah, that is also correct. But if the instruction says use AMA laws of logarithm, you try to use those two. Yeah, over 1. It's going to be so answer then. Because this is going to be e to the power x squared plus 2 is equals to e to the power of 0. And then if the bases are equal, then what you do, you equate the exponents. Well, of 1, akumele niwazi ufana ama-special angles. Mama ngathi sine of pi, kumele wazi to sine of pi is 0. Sine of pi over 2 is 1. Those are like special angles. Those are like elementary things that you guys should know. Yeah. Oh yeah, well yeah, that's still correct nakhona. That's still correct. But at least ngifundisa abantu basebenzise lama laws lawa. Get used to using those laws. Alright, yeah, but that's still correct. Nonke nenzena kanjalo at first. So that is still correct as well. So siyayibona leyo nto angisho. So these are known as ama-natural logarithmic functions. So abiza ngabo linear. They are very important. So other laws, ngicela sendeni no tutorial 2 lapha angiyuboni la nasencwadini. Oh sifake because la kunama question wakhona engiwafunayo tutorial 3. But basically this is how you deal with natural logarithmic functions. Abo so try to know these laws. Siyawazi ngisho ama laws of logarithms, like all logarithms they follow like the same laws. Do we know the laws? Ama laws of logarithm. 3. If we don't know them, you should know them now. Ama laws of all logarithms. So wonke ama logarithmic function, they've got certain laws, like the one that says log of AB. Okay, mhlambe sithi log x of AB is equals to log x of A plus log x of B. Then another one, we're gonna say log x of A over B is equals to log x of A minus log x of B. And then the third one, we're gonna say log x of A squared is going to be equals to 2 times log x of A. So these are the laws that you must know as well about logarithmic functions. So all logarithmic functions, they actually follow the same law. So all logarithmic functions, they follow this same law. So it's in lama laws. If you're having a logarithmic function of a product, example, multiply A no B, you can express this as log of A with the base x plus log of B with the base x nakhona. Sayibona ngisho. Like when we are having the same base, and here you are multiplying two things. It's either A and B, normal, whatever that you are multiplying. So you can express this as log base x of A plus log base base x of b. So when you're multiplying two functions, no matter when you're multiplying two functions, you can express this as log x of the first function plus log x of the second function. And then mawa divider uno a over b, maybe you are doing a logarithmic function of a quotient, meaning uthi la ku argument wakho uno a over b, une numerator nani ne denominator. So you can say this is log base x of the numerator minus log base x of the denominator. This is not a commutative, because if you try to rearrange the terms, let's just say uthi lo minus lo awunakile ufake, izoba wrong into yakho. Minus kumele uthini, log base a of the numerator minus log base a of the denominator. Don't say the opposite. Ungathi log base a of the denominator minus log base a of the numerator, because minus, remember, 2 minus 3 no 3 minus 2 is not the same thing, right? Yes. And then this one, if you're having a logarithmic function of a raised to the power of 2, instead of expressing lo squared lona, you can actually put your square here as a coefficient. Bese ubhala u a engenalutho. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho? Yes, so these are laws that can apply to logarithmic function. So these laws, they also apply to a natural logarithmic function. So it means that if we put this in context of a natural logarithmic function, ln of a plus ln of b uzolingana nobani? No ln of bani? A times b, right? Yes, because ln actually is log base e. Nalona is log base bani? Base e. Once the bases are the same, you can just compress expression yakho. Instead of writing about log base e about 2, you can just write 1 log base e. And then phakathi you must do what? You must multiply them, because last no bani, no plus. Must no plus, we multiply our arguments. What if I have something like a ln of b minus ln of a? This is going to give me bani? Ln of bani? B over a. Remember, we say ln of the numerator minus ln of the denominator. Must just give us ubani? Ln of the numerator over denominator. So sinakeni kakhulu lana, ingakho ngivice versa. Angifuni umuntu azothi a over b la, because we are saying log base e of the numerator minus log base e of the denominator. And then the third one, if I say maybe you have got a 2, maybe let's just say 4 ln of a. What is this equivalent to if we apply Lama laws? Ln of bani? A to the power of 4 angish. Yes. So therefore, you can put it as a coefficient. Normal, you can just transport it with a the exponent and the argument. Sayibona ngisho. Yeah, so these laws apply. So from a tutorial 3, let's just do practice problems. We're gonna do a few questions there in Wafunayo so that we can go to a tutorial 4. You can just do a couple of practice questions of your choice. The ones that you think they are going to be maybe difficult. Yeah, if you think they're going to be difficult. But so tutorial 3 one is very easy. So this is exercise 1.6 from the prescribed textbook. We have got question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 until question 8 there. So let's pick 2 questions as so enza lapho. Sazohluleka yini ukuthola ukuthi i-functions e1-to-1 are going to have problems? Awu. Sazohluleka yini ukudetermine functions 1-to-1 if we have an absolute value function g at x is equals to absolute value of x. Can we fail to find its domain? Can we fail to find out if it's a 1-to-1, normal, many-to-1, normal, one-to-many? Are we going to have problems? No, Angish. And then let's look at this one. If f is a 1-to-1 function such that f at 2 is equals to 9, what is f? Yeah, what is f inverse at 9? This one. Let's start with question 2. Let's do it. You are given question 2. So f is a 1-to-1 function, and then you are told f at 2 is equals to bani, is equals to 9. So what is Inverse f at 9, 2. You guys know the inverse, we're just interchanging the what? The y and the x value. So here I have 2, now nobani, no 9. Right? So this point, it's a coordinate telling me that in the function f of x, when x is 2, y is what? Is 9. But the function le ingitshela ukuthi in the inverse ga f of x, what will happen? So interchange ubani? U9 no 2. So it means that now our x becomes 9, now our y becomes ubani? U2. So we are actually exchanging the domain in the range. We are exchanging Ox and Y. Because remember, we're not doing inverse. We're actually reflecting upon the what? We are reflecting about the line Y is equal to X. Yes. So this is just the value, nothing much about this. Now, what if you are given here, they say if g at x, so if g at x is equal to 3 plus x, this is 3 plus x plus e to the power of x, and then now they say find g inverse at 4. If g at x is 3 plus x plus e to the power x, find the inverse value, the inverse y value, when x is equal to 4 on the inverse. So what can we start with? It's interchange. Okay, it's interchange. As when specific, okay, interchange loc na loc. So I find this inverse. So I equate. Okay. So we are just equate and or so I allow for which at x. Why? Ngifuna the reason. Okay, as we said, guys, I should remember this example as C7 f at 2 is equals to 9, f inverse of 9 is equals to 2. Should see we original function f when x is equals to 9, y is equals to bani to when x is equals to 2, y is equals to bani to 9. So mase senza inverse, what actually happens? Your y value now becomes any x value. Should see now what was the y value now will now change to become the what? The x value. Because then it's any what was the x value changes to be the y value. What was the y value changes to be the what? The x value. So ngamanye amazwi we are trying to say that we are interchanging ubani, y no bani, no x. So this was the y value in the original function is going to change and become any the x value. And then your y value, this was the x value, but mine says by any y value. So this shift that we are having, it is the hint as so it. So la they are looking, this is looking for ey value on the inverse when x is equal to bani to 4. So here let's just say they are looking for the y value. They are looking for the y value. They are looking for the y value on the inverse. Because log g inverse at 4, it means we are looking for the y value on the inverse when x is equals to bani to 4. Bracket argument is the value of bani ka x. So Leo inverse is olingana nani? We original function because nangu g inverse nangu g at x is olingana nani? Is olingana nani? Okay, asibhaleni lena just so that you can see into esiyenzayo. So lathina sithi kahle kahle u-f at 2, u-f at 2 it is the same thing as what? It is the same thing as f inverse at 9. Siyakuvuma yini lokho? F at 2, is it the same? No, it is not the same. Which one is the same? Yeah, f at 2 is 9 angisho. F inverse at 9 is 2, right? So we can say ukuthi just wanna write into general. F at 2 ingalingana nani ku inverse lapha? Ingalingana nani? F at 2 angisho 9. Ulingana nobani? No x value kubani? Ku inverse. So this is more like the x value kabani? Ye inverse. Just to give you a hint. Shuthi lana thina we are looking for the y value on the inverse. Kumele ilingane nani ne-x value on the original function. Lento engizama ukusho ukuthi i-x value, i-y value on the original function is the x value on the inverse. And then y value of the inverse is the x value of the original. So lana thina we are looking for g inverse at 4. So we are looking for the y value when x is equals to 4 on the inverse. Shuthi kahle thina ngaleso thini. So sigalena, this is going to be equals to bani to the x value when what? When g is equals to bani 4. So basically this is equals to the x value when g is equals to 4 in the original function. So kahle wena kumele uthole ubani? Kumele uthole kahle if u-g at x wethu is going to be equals to 4, then what is going to be the x value? Because thina into esiyifunayo lana we're looking for the y value in the inverse. The y value in the inverse is equals to the x value in the original. Sayibona ngisho. So the y value in the inverse when x is equals to 4 is equals to the original x value when y is equals to bani to 4. I interchange. So kahle lana kumele sithole ukuthi if the y value is 4 in the original function, what is going to be the x value? Because leyo x loyo uzolingana nani ne value yoku inverse. As you solve, then what is the x value there? Now it's time to use your mathematics, your beautiful mathematics skills. So what is going to be your x value there? What is going to be x? Afuna bona si imaths iyavuka yini kuleli room. Asiye ebhesha ngisho. Sibhizi ngecalculus thina. Hayi kumuntu uyaye ebheshi. Ibheshi ihamba abantu abangangathi. Asebadlula nje kulezi stress lezi esifana lezi. Nina nje kumele nifocus. Focuseni aniphuzi, anike ubheshi, anizenze izinto zala ezweni. Ninga right kakhulu manje ngenza kanjani? Ithini maths siyamthola yini u-x lapha? For calculus 1 level, can we find x using the mathematics that you already know? Khona itholayo? Okay, sitholaka. Bani? U0. Kanjani? Ufuna uzithola kanjani? Uthola u1. Ubani? U1 nobani? 1 minus e negative 1. The value of x. Okay. Sikhumbuleni uma substitute back le value le ka x kumele ngenze ubani u4 on that side. Niwuthole kanjani? Nibukile. Usolve. Utranspose. Okay, ngisafuna uyibona manje sizokwenza la 4 minus 3 bese wa transpose ubani? Or is equals to x plus e to the power x. Oh yeah. Awesome. Good. Khona indlela ehlukile from la. Okay, awesome. Hayi bengicabanga imaths vele siphezulu ukuthi senikwazi ukusolve into complex kanje ngathi hawu. Okay, it's fine. So here you are allowed to use inspection to find your answer. So our problems are kanjena, when they're going to question you about them, they are going to make the value too obvious for you to see by inspection. You don't have to do any mathematical calculation. Vele here you can say by inspection, we can just say by inspection, the value of x must be equal to 0. This is 3 plus 0, e to the power 0 is 1 again. So this is 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 will be equals to 4, just by inspection. So x is equals to bani? To 0. So we can come and say the y value on the inverse there will be equals to the x value on the original function, provided that what? Provided this is going to be equals to 0, yeah, if they are inverses. Sayibona ngisho? Yeah. Okay, also sisibona kanjani uze? Okay, inspectile, sibukile, sabona ukuthi iyiphi value engasinikeza u4 lapha. Ungabuka nje from lana. Okay, imagine this guys, u4 akanayo ukhoma ngisho. Ana decimal. Angisho. And then la uno e. U-e wakho nanoma ngamraise to iphi number uzosihlezi uthole ini ama decimal. Into enabo comma abaningi. So ngamanye amazwi just from ukubuka u-e wakho kahle kahle kumele alingane nobani no 1. At least abe a whole number. And the only way to make it a whole number is to put ubani u-e to the power of 0. Yabo. Otherwise, number is nama decimal if you try other x values. Imagine, let's just say you say try u1. Then this is 3 plus 1 angisho. Be u4. But let's go 4 vele. So lo plus e to the power of 1 nakhona sekuyinto. So mubuka lapha mwenza inspection yakho. Uyabukisisa wena ukuthi lana I've got a whole number. Here I've got something ezokunikeza ama decimal. So if I can try to make this a whole number, if I put u0 la, this will be 1. And this will be 3 plus 0 plus 1. Kunikeza ubani? U4. You're just inspecting. If ungakwazanga uyibona leyo nto, sekunzima makuyi-exam, sithi mhlambe kuyi-exam, uyabhala and then awuyiboni. Sekuyinkinga, but by inspection you must be able to just see ukuthi that's the case. Sayibona ngisho? Yeah. Ukuthola ama-inverse angenihlule khona ngisho. Yeah. Now what if you are given ln of x plus, okay, they say express the given quantity given by ln of 1 plus x squared plus 1 over 2 ln of x and then minus ln sine x. Number 5. So express the given quantity as a single logarithm. So express this given quantity as a single log. How can we do that? Sifuna nje logarithmic function enjani? Eyodwa. Only a single log. Sayibona ngisho. We have got ln of 1 plus x squared plus half ln x minus ln sine x. Yini esingayenza? Noma bese niyenzile le tutorial? Beniyenzile namathutha? Hayi angazi. Okay, ithini answer? Siqala ngani? Sifuna uyi-express as a single logarithmic function. Konje sesebenzisa ini lapha? What do you use? Ama-laws angisho. Yes, ama-laws of logarithmic means if you are combining, if you are combining different terms, but wonke ama-logarithmic function with the same base, you can just combine them into one logarithmic function following their standard layer ebesinayo lapha in that thing. Things siyenzile somewhere angisayiboni, but we did it. All of those laws of ama-logarithmic function. Okay, iyiphi law esingayisebenzisa ke lapha ke ukuthola into yethu? Vele yanyamalala into yami. Mhlambe yimina engingaboni. Iyiphi law esingayisebenzisa? Oh, now. Which law can we use to make it one function? Now ama-laws siyawabona ngisho. So abhalile phansi. So now asiye lapha ke. So singenza kanjani? Siqale ngo2. Yini esingamenza u1 over 2? Kumele simenze i-exponent angisho. Ngobani ama-coefficient wethu la kumele sibe nobani? No 1. Like i-coefficient of a logarithmic function yakho, you must make sure that it is what? It is 1. 1 or negative 1, I mean. So here, to do that, one ln of 1 plus x squared plus ln of x to the power of bani, half. It's not ln to the power of x to the power of 2 is half. Minus ln of bani, sine x. Now when you solve lento lenzo kunezuba, What are we going to get when you solve? Yini esingayenza enye? Siya-add noma siya-subtract senzani? Which one comes first in board mass if you're having multiple operations? Be addition noma subtraction? Addition angisho. Should we are going to fix these two kuqala. How can we fix these two when we are adding two natural logarithmic? So soluba. Ln of bani. So this is going to be ln of 1 plus x squared times x to the power of bani 1 over 2. Kanjeni. Sayibona ngisho. So khumbulani ukuthi if we are multiplying two functions in the argument, we can just rewrite this as what? As ln of the first function plus ln of the second function. As long as nje lama base efana, this is log base e, this is also log base e. So by virtue we are supposed to do this. Sayibona ngisho. So mase kunjena ke, what follows? Sin or minus ln of sin x angisho. So we still have got minus ln of sin x. Now how do we make this to be a single logarithmic function? Since it's subtract as 7 we argument yet. So divide angisho. So this is going to be ln of bani of 1 plus x squared angisho times x to the power of 1 over 2 over bani sin x. Because we know that when we are subtracting two logarithmic functions with the same base, we can just divide their arguments and just separate in only one logarithmic function. In this case, paluli no 1. So is this hard? Why not yes? Ayikho hard lento. Ayikabi hard ngokwanele, khulekani. Sasondela isikhathi. Njengoba ngiqala amalimi kanje anginthusi kodwa nje ayikabi hard ngokwanele. Khulekani nje. It will still go stiffer and stiffer. All right. On question 6, we are not going to do all of them because A no B type of questions. If we say we've got ln of x minus ln of x minus 1 is equals to 1. Solve for x. Solve for x. Ln of x plus ln into x minus 1 is equals to 1. Ikuphi esingakwenza? Let's give it a try. Ln of x minus ln of x minus 1 is equals to 1. Khona wefisa ukathenda pi day? Pi day. Anazi nothi khona. Anazi ama-event esiwahostayo la eNizulu. Sinikhandela i-event uthi nibe ne-information nani wa-attend. Hayi nizobona khona. Solvani u-x lana. Noma nginike nama-steps ngibe ngibhala la just to save time. How do you solve for x lapha? Yeah. Brackets x over x minus 1 is equals to 1, right? Siyawuthi senzeni lana ngisho. Apply ini law of logarithmic le ama quotients, right? So here, because we are saying ln of something minus ln of another thing, so this is ln of numerator minus ln of any denominator. So this is the same thing as ln of x over bani x minus 1. So when you are subtracting two logarithmic functions, you with the same base, of course, because last no log base e, right? which is ulin, you can just divide their arguments. So let's solve. Okay, how do you solve for x? E exponent ln of the esinayo lana ngisho. We put e because we wanted to get rid of ubani ulin. That's how you apply the laws. So this means ukuthini e no ln ngisho, they cancel out. So it means that we've got x over x minus 1, which is the argument ln, which is equal to bani e. Now solve for x. Can cross multiply ngisho. Yes, this can be x is equals to e into x minus 1. So this means we'll say x is equals to bani ex minus e. Sayibona ngisho. And then from here you can try to find the x. How can you do that? In the engine, how can you find the x? Algebra, grade 10. Senza kanjani? Transpose e to the power x angisho. Sifuna yonke into ibe eno x ibe seduze kanjeni. No negative e on the other side. And then now you take out to x angisho. You remain with ubani 1 minus e is equals to negative e. So therefore your x value is going to be negative e over bani 1 minus e. Sayibona ngisho. Yeah, but if you evaluate over, so 1 minus e is going to give you a negative number, and that negative will give you positive. That can still work. Sayibona ngisho. In the mind, our tutorial 3 was very simple. Very simple. Inverses, that's the last thing that we are doing. Okay, we are done with it. Find the inverse and the domain. Ama-domain asasithola manje. Hayi abantu ahambe bayofunda isession yenzeni yama-domain. Find the domain of f of x is equal to the square root of 3 minus e to the power x. What is the domain? Before we find the inverse, find the domain. Domain is what? Not defining it. What is the domain? The actual domain. Yini soqala ngayo? Kulaba bekhona ama-domain. Okay, what type of function is this? Qale lapha. Root function angisho. Specifically, it's a square root function angisho. Sathini nge-domain yama square root function? Yini? It's domain yama root function. X is greater than or equal to 0. Ngempela. X asoza abo 0. Mangafaka u0 into le izothi math error nje. Athi sithola kanjani domain yamalothu njani? What's the first step to find the domain? What's the first step esithathayo? Abantu abapractice yona inkinga siyenzile lento lena yonke le. Ngizwa nje ningiswela mama ningathi nje asenzanga. Siwenzile onke ama domains. Khona la siyakhona. Shona. Eqaleni bekungekho umuntu ophendulayo. Manje ophendulayo asafuna ukusho. Shona. Swenza kanjani? Exactly. This thing under the square root must always be what? Greater or equal to 0, because you can never have a square root of a negative expression. So, noma yini ekhona phansi kwe square root, it must never be less than 0. It must never be negative. Sayizwa leyo nto angisho. So, it means 3 minus e to the power x, or expression yami ephansi kwe square root, must be always greater or equal to 0. because the square root of 0 does exist. Now you just have to solve what must be the value of x so that the expression lena ayizukuba less than 0. Norma, so that this expression is going to be greater or equal to 0. Now let's just solve. What are you gonna do? E to the power x is what? Is less or equal to 3, Angish? Yes. Yeah, I can just transpose the what? The 3 no matter what? Transpose the 3 to the other side. Then divide by -1 on both. When you divide by -1, into lezo shintsha ngisho the sign there. So it was facing that direction, but now it's gonna face that direction. Or you can just transpose lo negative e to the power x. Maka ngale na ngisho is less than 3. Yes, the same thing. So now find the value of x then. Senza kanjani? Ubani? Lean on both sides angisho. Ln of e to the power x is greater or is less or equal to bani? Ln of 3. So ln no ln cancel such that your x must be less or equal to ln 3. So for this function to be defined, its domain will be given by x is less or equal to bani? Ln 3. Mawungafaka ln 3 la vele you are supposed to get ubani u0. Sayabona leyo nto. I mean mawungafaka ln 3 la ngisho u-in no-ln bazocancela ngisho. Usale no 3 angisho. And then 3 minus 3 will be what? 0. So any other value of x that will be less than ln of 3 will allow this expression to be defined. Because uln singakhohlwa ukuthi uln wethu uzoba kanjani. If we take a value that is greater than ln 3, izosihlupha ke leyo value. If we take a value that is greater than ln 3 and you put it there, it's not going to be defined. So this is our domain. So x must be less or equal to ln of 3. And then they say find the inverse. Follow up. Find the inverse and its domain. The original function na. So how are we going to find the inverse lab? This is the function y is equals to the square root of bani 3 minus e to the power of x. Now find this, find your thing, find your inverse. Find the inverse of this function. Senze interchange. Interchange you x no y. Sana lo square root. Okay. Senze njengwanisho. X is equals to square root of bani 3 minus e to the power y. Okay. You square on both sides angisho. So you square on both sides so that at least uzokhulula lo y lo, so that it can be easily made the circle with the formula. So this is going to be x squared is equals to bani 3 minus e to the power y. And then now what do you do to find to make y the circle with the formula? Transpose ubani e to this side, x squared to that side angisho. E to the power y is equals to 3 minus x squared. Sayabona ngisho. To find y wakho or to make y the subject of the formula, what is going to be? Y is equals to bani. Asiqale sithi log of bani base e angisho of ubani 3 minus x squared, which can be written as ubani ln of 3 minus x squared. Sayabona leyo nto. Yes. And then what is the domain? What must be the domain of this? Because now we are shifting it. This is no longer the same thing as ln of x. This is just ln of 3 minus x squared. How are we going to find the domain of this function? What do you think the domain is going to be? In a natural logarithmic function when it comes to domain. When it comes to the domain of a natural log, x must be greater than 0 angisho. So if we are given y is equals to ln of x, whatever the argument is must be greater than ubani than 0. It's not always to uzocrema to x is greater than 0. Leya function leya sihlukile. Buka la. This function is now ln of 3 minus x squared. So you've shifted. It's no longer just ln lo the mother graph. Sayibona ngisho. So at this point, what must be greater than 0 lana? Ile expression esinayo phakathi. Because ln akwazi ukuthatha u0, akwazi ukuthatha inamba enjani e-negative. Shuthi whatever it is that you put inside the bracket as an argument kalini kumele ibe kanjani ibe greater than ubani than u0. Ungavele ucreme uthi ln the domain is x is greater than 0. That is the domain of y is equals to ln of x. That is the domain of that. But mase sothi ln of 3 minus x squared kanjeni, it won't be able to give you x is greater than 0. So ahlahle ngamanye amazwi la sithi whatever argument kaln noma whatever expression inside the ln must be greater or equal to bani or must be greater than ubani 0. Strictly greater than. And then from here you can now find what is your x, of course. So 3 must be greater than ubani u-x squared angisho. So 3 must be greater than x squared such that your x value there must be what? What must be the x value? Square root of 3 angisho. So the x value can be plus or minus square root of 3. So x must be less than plus or minus square root of 3. If you put plus square root of 3 noma minus square root of 3, kuyafana la kune squared angisho lapha. Squared just erases the negative sign. So yeah, that saves it. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. Okay.